everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Zodi Stars channel. My name is Zodua, and if you are new to my channel, you are welcome back. You're welcome. For my subscribers, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I've been MIA for a little while now. I've been extremely busy. Life has been happening in a good way. I just had to take a little tiny break, and now I'm back. I'm back for good. So today's video is going to be all about giving my hair some very nice TLC with aloe vera gel that I made from the scratch, from the source itself. So I have a video about how to extract aloe vera for your hair, for your skin and everything on this channel. So I'm going to leave the link up there and also in the description below. I'll be leaving the link right there. So if you are watching me for the first time today and you have not subscribed at all, I'm going to give you a few seconds to just click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. And when you click on the notification bell, anytime I post a video or upload a video, you're going to be one of the first people to know. So go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. So right now what I'm doing is extracting my aloe vera gel, and right now I'm just mashing it with my hands, with my fingers. It's faster this way. The best way to do it is to use your blender. Okay, this one I was rushing, my children were in the background. I just needed to give my hair some TLC regardless of what it is. Sometimes as moms, you just have to take the bull by the horn and go ahead and take care of yourself, regardless of what you're going through, regardless of what your children are doing. So that's what I'm doing right now. And now I'm just draining out the gel. I'm draining the gel with this drainer. The video I had about this aloe vera, how to extract aloe vera gel, I didn't do all this. So this one is really cool. This is better. You know, it's easier to just drain out your aloe vera gel. You don't really get everything from it, but it's good. At least the aloe vera pulp will not be in your hair for at all. So the one I did before, the pulp was in my hair for a while. With this one, nothing like that. So now that I have my aloe vera gel together, I'm going to now go ahead and apply it in my hair. The shrinkage is real, y'all. Look at that shrinkage. So this day I just washed my hair. I washed my hair with Aussie shampoo, and then I used keratin conditioner. Now I'm going to be applying my Cantu avocado leave-in conditioner in my hair. This leave-in conditioner is the best. The best so far. And I'm going to be using my mixture of oil. I mix coconut oil, olive oil and grapeseed oil in there, and my aloe vera gel extract. If you hear any sound, I have my baby on my back, so I'm going to be using the brush to just detangle my hair, and then the clip to clip down my hair. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing right now is to section my hair in bits. Usually I would section my hair in 4 places, but this time around, because I really want the aloe vera gel to go into my hair everywhere, so I just section my hair in bits, like bits by bits. Yeah, like that. I think I had up to like 6 on my head, or 8, something like that. It was way more than 4. So I'm just twisting them away, you know, to get out of the way of the other ones. Right now it's 1:10 a.m. right now. This is the best time for me to do this. Time my children are all sleeping. So there's one on my back that is not sleeping though, but I'm gonna make her sleep right now. Okay. Still sectioning, Can you see my hair? The shrinkage is still there, but when I apply my leave-in conditioner, the shrinkage is released. And then the shrinkage stops. So I'm applying my conditioner first to just soften the hair from, the foundation before I now apply my aloe vera gel. Oof, this aloe vera gel is it's a number. It's so good. So the best way to apply your aloe vera gel is to use a spray bottle. Okay, use a spray bottle, or you can use a spritz. I have a spray bottle, but the spray thing is not working. So I decided to use my hands and just get the best out of it. Now, for you to get your aloe vera gel into your hair properly without it wasting, spray bottle is the best. Spray bottle or spritz is the best. And now I'm going to be detangling my hair. Look at the softness. Oh my God. It's so soft. It's just automatic. I didn't have to do too much. No pain, nothing. No pain, nothing at all. Yes, the brush worked wonders too by detangling it properly. Look at that bounce. And now we're just going to give it a shine with my oil, mixture of oils. So just to, let it shine. I love my hair to have some shine to it. Not greasy, but shine. Wow, look at that juicy twist. So I'm just, combing the hands to really detangle. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. If you have not subscribed at this point, come on. You better subscribe. Subscribe right now. Click on the subscribe button. Do this for me, please. And like. Don't forget to like. And put a comment below if you like what you see. If you want more of this kind of videos, click the like button. Comment below. I want more. I want more. Okay, thank you. So I'm doing the same thing that I did before. Applying my gel. I wish I had a spray bottle that works. I would have used a spray bottle to get everything into my hair. But it's all good. I have more hair in the front of my hair and in the middle. It's longer and fuller. And so pretty too. So my hair, I would not say my hair is 4C. I think I have some 4C going on at the back, and then in the front is like 4B. So it's not totally 4C. Most of it is 4B, I believe. Let's see how I'm going in with the oil, going into my scalp. Pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Very soft. The softness. Aloe vera gel works wonders. It doesn't just soften your hair, it helps with hair growth. When you apply it regularly, it's gonna grow out your hair faster. It's faster, yes. It will grow out your hair faster, and it's gonna make your hair really healthy. Aloe vera is one of the best plants out there for your hair. I was really happy. See, I was testing how soft it is for you guys using my rat tail comb. Look at it, just glided through easily. Easy gliding. So I'm twisting it again. I'm not going to be talking all through this video, but from here I'll still talk a little bit and then just let it go. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. So nice. Okay guys, so from here I'm just going to go away and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Finish your food, mama. Alrighty, see you very soon.
We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your...
So right here I was really excited about how my curls were popping, how soft my hair was, and look at the comb gliding through easily again. It just shows that it's well detangled, well moisturized. My hair looks so healthy. So I'm going to keep applying my products in there, and I'll see you towards the end.
Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall, to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Until next time, bye.